Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a fun one. I ran to Michael's and grabbed some beading supplies and I am going to be throwing together a sun catcher. So let's hop right into the video. So I'm going to start by grabbing my little bead organizer because once I cut all of these open, they're going to be everywhere. So I'm giving myself somewhere to put them. Okay, I have everything all organized, so I'm gonna get this out of the way and I'm gonna start making my first dream catcher. So I have this clear, like stretchy cord, and I think that's what I'm gonna build them on. And then I think I'll use some jump rings to connect a couple pieces of it maybe. What I'm thinking is if I put a couple of beads on this invisible cord and then kind of finish that loop with a jump ring on either side, then I can connect the jump rings for a little bit of extra interest in the sun catcher. But yeah, I'm just gonna put them together and see what looks good, I guess. So basically every piece of this like clear thread, I'm gonna start by putting a jump ring on it and then folding it in half so that that jump ring is stuck on there. And then with this folded in half, I'm gonna feed both ends into each bead at the same time just to reinforce this. The nice part about sun catchers is they don't have to look a specific way. Just literally whatever you feel goes. You don't need symmetry. You don't really need planning. There we go. This one looks so dainty. Let's put something big on here. We'll put one of these little guys on here. And then a nice big green one. So for this end jump ring, I'm gonna split this so that it can go on one end of the cord. And then I'm gonna tie these two pieces together. That'll be stuck on the inside and it'll kind of look similar to the other end. Okay, that's tied. I'm gonna just tie it again, just to make sure it's really on there, and then I'm gonna cut these ends off. So what I'll do when I'm ready to put them together is I'll grab another jump ring, put that between these two, and it'll be connected. So far, that's the length of my sun catcher. So I'm gonna start another piece with this clear thread, put another jump ring on it, make sure it goes on one end, and then that your two ends meet at the top and your jump ring is on there. That'll be it for this section. I'm gonna grab another jump ring and put that on there. Okay, so I have all of the pieces that I wanted to make of my sun catcher, and now I need to connect them all together. So I have jump rings at the end of each of them, except for this one. This one will be the bottom. There's just a bead at the end there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another jump ring. Oh, there's one more piece, sorry. 5 pieces of my dream catcher. So what I'm going to do, if you can see, can you see it? These rings have like a split. So what I can do is I can take them apart. Let me just grab another tool here. So what I can do with these is I can split them apart. So not sure if you can see that, but I've split that apart. So this is how I'm going to attach the pieces of the sun catcher together. So this is definitely the bottom. We'll put that on there. And let's put this one next. And then you just bring those 2 split pieces back together and it's like it never happened. Now I have these 2 pieces connected. So I'm going to do that with the rest of them. And then we're going to go hang this and see how it looks. Okay, there's my whole sun catcher put together. So I'm gonna go hang this in a window and let's see how it looks. So I've brought it outside so that I can put it into sun. And here's how it looks. Can't wait till the sun is coming in the windows. That's gonna look beautiful inside. Well, that is today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me and making a sun catcher. If you liked today's video, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what kinds of things you'd like to see in the future, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.